Mm-hmm.
Naman.
What
At
happened?
least I have done my laundry. I have done here receiving everything and printing.
Mm-hmm.
So I will wait for it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. It says only two only. Where are the
Okay,
others? Oh
dokie.
my god. Why
Okay,
is it
dokie.
sleeping here? Oh my goodness. It's a turning Japanese. Oh my goodness. The angels are sleeping tight.
You have Japanese, you have Chinese, you have Vietnamese, Korean.
Lovers. Kami, thank you so much. Nandito ako with, together ni Borton Channel, si Jamie.
Mhm.
So much. If you have time, please visit us also. And that this is like this is what we call life, yung aking braso, ang ganda. Kawawa.
Yeah.
Hi, Beach Adventure. Thank you so much. I will open up for you, Beach Adventure. One long again, so
Thank you,
that
Alex. Thank you, Alex.
when you visit Iconic later, when you visit Iconic later, I could watch only a short video of yours.
Yeah.
Yeah, I cannot watch long videos for my Beach Adventures at night. There's so many. I'd rather watch her long. Okay, Ma'am Alex, here in your catching up the beautiful sunrise. This is 20 minutes live replay.
Yeah. Uh, Alex has been
Yeah,
putting up a lot
I
of
cannot intact
Alex has
with
been
so
put
many.
Alex has been putting up a lot
When,
of videos.
yeah,
Oh, God. Mornings usually the weather is nice, but then later on it starts to rain. It's very hot in the daytime.
so now playing, Ma'am Alex. I will send the link. I will send the link here. There. YouTube for live. Ma'am Alex, thank you so much.
Me inside. Thank
I'm playing
you.
that link for Ma'am Alex live replay. Catching up the beautiful sunrise.